Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, we do have lots of clouds which are trapped over the Arklatex right now. What's happening is we have a layer of warm air about 5,000 feet, cold air trapped beneath it. And until we break that, what we call inversion, we'll see these clouds stick around. I think that'll be the case through tonight. Most of tomorrow looking mostly cloudy. How high we get temperature-wise tomorrow will depend greatly on how quickly we get rid of the clouds tomorrow. I think it's probably going to be in the afternoon before that actually does happen. So that said, here's a look at temperatures across the region tonight. And because we stay cloudy, you can see this is one particular model's depiction, probably looking at temperatures tomorrow morning beginning somewhere in the mid to upper 30s across the region. We'll see those temperatures struggle to climb much during the day. If we're lucky, we might hit 50. I think these numbers here probably a bit too cool. This is basically what would happen if we stay cloudy like today all day. We will struggle to make it into the low to middle 40s, but I do think we'll see some afternoon sunshine tomorrow, which will warm us up into the upper 40s to low 50s across the Arklatex. Now here's a look at Futurecast. This is one model which is a bit more in terms of optimistic, if you will, on the cloud. Actually, this is the same model I just showed you, and you can see does depict a cloudy sky across the area tomorrow. Going through tomorrow night, we stay cloudy, and then going through Wednesday, likely we'll continue to see quite a bit of cloud cover, and maybe just a slight chance for a scattered shower across the northern sections of the area. That may be just a bit overdone. We will probably have to wait until the end of the week to see our next best chance for some rainfall across the area. So all that said, here's the next disturbance, which is going to move our way here during the course of the next couple of days. You can see that right there. That is going to be a strong cold front which is going to rush through the Arklatex here Friday night, perhaps as late as Saturday morning, bringing with it some showers and a few thunderstorms. Right now, not too concerned about severe weather given the timing of this frontal system, even though ahead of that front we will likely see highs in the 70s in spots come Friday. Behind the front, highs Sunday likely will be in the 30s and 40s, highs in the 30s and 40s, and we could see some of the coldest air of the season so far early next week behind the strong frontal system which will be rolling through the region. All that said, rainfall potential, this is what we're looking at from now through the next 7 days, and you can see nothing too heavy as amounts probably going to be less than an inch across most of the Arklatex. This particular model showing amounts of a half an inch to maybe an inch, with the heaviest totals over the southeastern 2/3 of the area where the thunderstorms that we see may be just a bit stronger with some heavier rain. You can see the heaviest of the rain likely will be to our north and east over parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. That yellow there indicates upwards of 2 inches. But here in the Arklatex, again, we're looking at rainfall totals that probably will stay below an inch. So your 7-day forecast looks like this, and some changes are coming, as we will see 50 tomorrow if we're lucky. Now, if we stay cloudy all day, which is possible, we will stay in the 40s again for a daytime high. But if the sunshine comes out sooner, we can make it into the mid-50s. A lot of questions about tomorrow's forecast, and you can see beyond that, Thursday, Friday with a gusty south and southwesterly wind, highs close to 70 in Shreveport for Thursday, Friday. There's that big cold front. Notice Saturday morning, low temperatures mid to upper 50s. We will fall into the 40s during the afternoon. 26 Saturday night, only 40 for the daytime high Sunday. And you can see Sunday night, we're looking at temperatures dipping into the mid-20s. And for Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday, looking at 45 degrees with some sunshine next Monday in Shreveport. In Texarkana, you're looking at, again, 47 tomorrow, 60s, mid to upper 60s for Thursday, Friday. Pretty good chance for those thunderstorms for you too. Probably Friday night, early Saturday, and you can see the drop-off in Texarkana. We go basically falling through the 40s during the day. Only 36 for the high Sunday in Texarkana, and you can see we could dip into the lower 20s for nighttime lows next Sunday night. So all in all, looks like our strongest cold front in terms of temperature behind the front of the year so far, coming in early in the weekend. That will bring us our next best chance of rain, with rainfall totals of less than an inch right now expected.